How to change the screen brightness of your MacBook Neo. This model doesn't have any sensor, so it adjusts automatically the screen brightness. You have to do it manually. You have two different ways. So the first way is to simply use these buttons on the keyboard. Okay, F1 button to lower the brightness. Tap on it multiple times and it will lower it, and F2 so you can increase that brightness. This is the easiest. If not, you can always go on the top right corner, click on this icon, and down below you're gonna have display and a slider, and you can slide this left and right, so you can adjust it the way you want. Obviously, you can also go in system settings, select display and adjust it manually there, but that's too many steps. Most people will prefer using the buttons or the other way I just showed you. Unfortunately, this model doesn't have any backlit keyboard, so don't try finding this option anywhere. It's not available. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, like, and check my Amazon links down below if you want to get accessories that are compatible with your MacBook Neo, chargers, cables, adapters, and much more.